When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we'll work very hard to earn both. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.